Hello everyone, welcome to Amruta's Kitchen Wonders with me Amruta Tupe. Normally when we go to cafes we definitely order some finger foods, and today I am going to show you a fantastic finger food which is cheesy vegetable nachos. So why to wait? Let's get started and check out the recipe. For this recipe I have taken 200 grams of mozzarella cheese. This is garlic powder, chili flakes, mixed herbs, black olives, green olives, nachos, salt, tomato ketchup, pepper, sweet corns, bell peppers. First we cut this yellow capsicum into small pieces. This is cafe style cheesy vegetable nachos. You must try this recipe. So you can see the vegetables are all cut to equal size. Red capsicum, some green capsicum, I have taken 200 grams of mozzarella cheese grated and keep it aside. Now you can also use cheddar cheese or a combination of mozzarella and cheddar. Now for this recipe, for the topping, I am going to mix few vegetables along with some cheese and season it. For this I have taken 1 cup of green capsicum chopped, 1 cup of red capsicum chopped, 1 cup of yellow capsicum chopped, 1 cup of cooked corn. So you can see the vegetables are all cut to equal size. A few black olives sliced, a few green olives sliced, few red paprika, one cup of grated mozzarella cheese. Next I am going to season it with 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. You can adjust spice according to your taste. Some garlic powder, half teaspoon pepper and half teaspoon salt. You can adjust the salt according to your taste depending on the quantity of the vegetables or the topping that you have taken. Mix everything together nicely. Mix everything together nicely. Finally, I am going to add 1.5 tablespoon of tomato ketchup. So mix it all in. You can see the tomato ketchup is coating the vegetables and cheese nicely. You don't want to make it too saucy. This is just to give a nice flavor to the vegetables. Now the topping is done. See, you can see. Keep it aside. Now I am going to assemble the nachos and vegetable topping. Take a plate and start placing the nachos chips. Now these are flavored nachos chips. This is cheese flavor. You can use any flavor of your choice, or you can even use plain nachos chips. Now gently start placing the topping onto the chips. Make sure you spread it out evenly on all the sides. You can see this is looking so colorful. Spread this evenly. Finally, top it off with some grated mozzarella cheese. The more cheese you add, you're gonna get really nice cheesy nachos. So there you go. The chips are nicely covered with the topping and cheese. Next we'll melt the cheese. This is microwave safe plate. Make sure that your plate is a heat proof plate, so you can melt the cheese. We are placing it either on oven or in a pan. Melt the cheese completely. Wow, that looks amazing. You can actually see the cheese melting. Here these beautiful cheesy vegetable nachos that you can make anytime and enjoy them. They are so quick to make. You can use any vegetable topping of your choice. Do try the recipe and share it with your family and friends and enjoy. And please share, like and subscribe my channel. Here is this cheesy vegetable nachos cafe style. So do try the recipe and enjoy with your friends and family. Please make sure you like, share and subscribe my channel. Also for all recipe notifications, click on this bell icon and never miss a video from Amruta's Kitchen Wonders. Thank you.